Good evening, Tashina Gonzalez back here to repeat everything I just said for all my monolingual friends. Tashina Gonzalez with Vida Activa here, and I am a health, wellness, and self care expert coaching busy professionals. And tonight I am talking directly to all of my business owners out there about things that they absolutely need to have yesterday in their business. One of the things that just completely breaks my heart and completely just gets me like, oh, I need to educate more and I have to be acting faster is when I go, especially into a healthcare or a wellness or fitness type of facility, like a hospital, a gym, a chiropractor's office, anything that is supposed to elevate our health and wellness. And I walk around and I see nothing but toxic products. So they're supposed to be helping our wellness, but at the same time, they have toxic cleaning products, toxic hand soap, they have aerosol sprays, they have candles. I go to a wellness self care event and they have candles, and it just breaks my heart. And I'm like, I have to educate more and I have to get more information out there because they're trying to increase our wellness, but at the same time, they have 10 things in this facility that are decreasing our wellness. So why are those things so important? I have an entire video about um, hand soap and sanitizers and the dangers in those. I have another entire video on candles and toxic aromatic things that you need to get rid of. So hop on my YouTube channel and find those for details. But just a quick thing to go into those. Um, Certain chemicals in cleaning products have been linked to fertility problems, birth defects, increased risks of breast cancer, asthma, respiratory disorders, and hormone disruptions. So I don't want to go into a gym, a fitness center, and then wipe off all of the equipment with something that is going to cause respiratory issues. It just doesn't make any sense. And then when it comes to candles, the issues with those are the toxic wax and in the case of odor candles, toxic wicks. So even aromatherapy candles, so the ones that claim that they have lavender or some type of amazing aromatherapy in it, usually are made of paraffin, which is poisonous. It is a petroleum byproduct which releases carcinogens soot when burned. The soot can cause respiratory problems and will aggravate conditions of those who already have asthma, lung, or heart problems. So I have been to Pilates classes, I've been to self-care events, and I walk in and there are candles everywhere. And I'm trying to work out or I'm trying to relax and I leave and I need to reset my whole immune system because they have things that, as a person that had asthma when they were younger, are aggravating and ruining my health. And so I have this video for those people so that they know that there are healthy, amazing, and wonderful options so that their entire thing that they can do can raise the health level instead of only partially raising the health level and having something that actually destroys the health level at the same time. So, what are some things that every single business, even if you're not a health and wellness business, just so that you can raise the health level of your bank or whatever other business that you might have, what are some things that you must have there? So, one thing that is super cool to have, and you want to make sure that if you decide one of the things we can do instead of candles is essential oils. And you want to make sure that you have the purest, the best, the most awesome, and you cannot get those off of Amazon and you cannot get those from any of the stores that are local to you usually. So we're going to get ourselves a diffuser. So we have our sweet aroma diffuser. This diffuser is super small, super cute, super awesome to go on an office desk or in their front office at a gym or your hotel or your restaurant in the back or your hospital front desk. Super cool for that. It is so super and easy to use. It is, you just put a couple drops in there and then some water and you are ready to plug that thing up and ready to go. Now, if that still is a little bit too strong or a little bit too much for you, you can also get our USB diffuser. So you just put it in the closest plug and you are ready to go. And then some of the things that you're going to have on hand. Again, this is the only thing that I would recommend is getting, and this comes from our professional accounts. So these particular sizes are very special. And you can only get this if you are a business with our professional accounts. So one thing you're going to want to have is lavender, especially if that's what you're trying to promote is relaxation. So that think your yoga studios, your meditation areas, your fitness centers in the evening. If you're doing something more along the lines of relaxation, lavender is going to be amazing for that. And so this potency, this 100% pure, straight from the farm to your table, usually you only need 1 or 2 drops of these in a diffuser that size. When you buy the other ones, which again, I had an amazing quote. Let me share this quote that I had, why you can't have aromatherapy candles, nor you can have low quality American essential oils. Burning an aromatherapy candle made of paraffin or using a low quality essential oil, I would add to that, is similar to preparing a healthy drink of fresh squeezed juice and adding a shot of gasoline. So we do not want to have a little bit of toxins in our essential oils by not getting the pure ones, and we want to get those candles out so we are not drinking gasoline with our healthy drink. So again, if you get one of those essential oils that are not pure, you're going to probably need like 15 drops, whereas with this, you're only going to need 1 or 2. Another one that you're going to want to be able to get, and you can get in this size for businesses, is lemon. Lemon is happiness in the bottle. You're going to use this in the morning. It's going to perk everyone up, give them energy, and it's going to be super amazing. And one of the other ones that is a must-have, especially right now with everything that's going on, is Thieves. Thieves is an amazing blend. I'm going to read to you why it's called Thieves from what we have. So this is our proprietary essential oil blend, and it was inspired by the legend of 15th century French thieves who formulated and wore a special aromatic combination of clove, rosemary, vinegar, and other botanicals that they believed provided protection while they were stealing. They were robbing the dead and dying during the time of the plague. French authorities recognized that there was such a value in a mixture that upon the thieves' capture, they received a more merciful punishment on the condition that they divulge the ingredients in their secret formula. Crafted in the spirit of that legendary combination, Young Living's one-of-a-kind Thieves essential oil blend can be found in all of our Thieves products, featuring clove oil, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary oil, and lemon oil. Thieves imparts a spicy, welcoming aroma everywhere it's used. With the benefits of Thieves essential oil, including cleaning power and an irresistibly spicy scent, Young Living offers it as an essential oil blend and as an important ingredient in a full range of home cleaning and personal care products, from dish soap to toothpaste. Possibly our most versatile and beloved blend, these products replace harsh chemicals with pure therapeutic grade essential oils and other naturally derived ingredients. So we also have our gallon size Thieves. Very, very good and appropriate for our businesses. Again, this is something that every business needs, but especially if we're in the wellness and healthcare space. Other things to do that you can do to educate yourself so that you can understand the details and why this is so important. In addition to watching the videos that I've done already, watch the documentary Stink. It's free on Netflix. It will give you so much information about why you need to get toxins out of your home and out of all the businesses. Another thing you can do is tune in tomorrow, Sunday, between 1 and 2, here in Michigan on AM station 910. My sister and I are going to be on a radio show, and we're going to be discussing some of these awesome topics. And then attend our healthy home class. So we were talking about easy, fun ways to detox our homes. We have a Facebook class in English coming up on Tuesday at 8:30 p.m. And then for those Michiganders here, we have one here at Bigby in Dearborn at 6:30 this upcoming Friday. And then lastly, join us in this month's challenge. So we have a monthly challenge that we're doing in order to detox our home. My health and wellness box, my personal health and wellness box is going to arrive within the next day or two. And I'm going to go through all of those, which is going to include all the things that you need for the challenge. But the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have Thieves blend on hand and you used our amazing Thieves tea that has that vinegar that was talked about here. Our Thieves and a bunch of other things that are just going to help your immune system tremendously, as well as make sure you have these cleaning products on hand. That is what I want to share with you guys today. As usual, as you hop on here, give me a wave, give me a hi, hello. Let me know what city and state you are watching me from. And if you are watching the replay, no matter what venue you are watching it on, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, hashtag replay. If you know any businesses that you walk inside, especially if they're health and wellness businesses, and they haven't got the information about the alternatives to candles, and they haven't got the information about how important it is to have toxic-free cleaning products, please share this with all the chiropractors, all the gyms, all the hospitals, all of the psychiatrists, psychologists that you know, so that we can make sure that as we go in there to increase our wellness level physically, emotionally, mentally, we also have our environmental standards to the same level so that we're not decreasing that and having to fight that later. If someone has shared this video with you, please get back with them for any information and find that person. Feel free to contact me at any time. And with that, I'm going to close this out for tonight. Thank you guys for joining me. Have an amazing evening. Bye.